Now, as you wait for your order to arrive, you might be wondering if they send the wrong products, or there are quality issues. How do you get your money back? That's why Alibaba.com provides Easy Return, a purchase protection service that helps you return eligible orders for free locally and get refunds for them. To get a refund, the first thing you need to do is apply for it online. You have as long as 30 days upon delivery to initiate a return. Go to My Alibaba, enter the order page, and look for the Easy Return tag to confirm that it's an eligible order. Then find and select the order you want to return. Hit Apply for Refund and fill out the required details. Confirm you've received the products and want to return them by checking Yes to both questions. Make sure to select Poor Quality as the reason for the return to initiate the Easy Return request. Explain your reason for the refund and upload documents to further support your claim. Fill in the rest of the form and hit Continue. Next, choose your refund method. Fill in your contact info and submit the request. You should get results within 48 hours, so be sure to keep an eye on the status of your refund request and follow any further steps. Success! Your refund request has been approved. Now, make sure you return the items to a designated local warehouse within 15 days so you can get your refund. Hit Return Now and choose your return method. Enjoy free shipping by choosing an Alibaba.com's logistics partner. Hit Email My Label, enter your email address, and hit Submit to get the prepaid shipping label. Print it out, take the items to the nearest drop-off location, and that's it. Or if you insist, you can use one of your preferred logistics companies and submit the tracking number. Once your items have been accepted by the logistics company, the return section will be updated with the most current info, where you can track the logistics. Your refund progress can also be tracked down there. Once the return is received at its house and is approved, you should get your refund within 20 business days.